I'm Lucy Hindle. I am a guest trainer here at the Emergency Medicine Camp, and I was invited to come along to share some of my emergency knowledge from South Africa, specifically related to toxicology for this course. So I'll be helping out with one of the simulations and also talking a little bit about toxicology. And I think also just to meet people, to build some connections and to experience what it's like to be here at the camp.
What kind of expectations do you have from this camp?
So I have been to a previous emergency medicine camp and it was great. I think it's very collaborative. It's nice to have people with different backgrounds, so paramedics, nurses, doctors, all working together and all learning from each other. It's also fun for me to be in a different country and in a different environment. So the Finnish wilderness is beautiful, which is great. And I think expectations-wise, it'll be nice to learn from people and also to teach. It's a passion of mine, and what I'm talking about over the course of the camp is my passion.